Hello everyone, this is Ma'ide and welcome to the grammar course. This is the first session of my grammar course on YouTube. If you want to be in my class for free, just subscribe my YouTube channel. That's it. So let's start the first session. So in this session, we will be talking about to be verbs. Am is are. Am is are. And we use to be verbs to talk about different things. But let me make an example first of all. Let's start with I. Okay. For example, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Yes, I am a teacher. And I can say, I am 23. I am 23. Or I can use adjectives. For example, I am happy. I am happy. Yeah, happy. Or so many other things. Or another sentence, I am in my room. I am in my room. Yes, that's very easy. So we are not always using I. So let's take a look at the others. Look, I use I am. You are. She is. He is. It is. We are. And they are. This is how we can use it. So now again, let's make sentences. I want to make a sentence about you. Maybe you are a girl. Maybe you are a boy. You are on YouTube. Yes? And you are in my class. Yes, I made so many sentences about you. So let's continue with other subjects. For example, she is my friend. She is my friend. Or she is my mother. She is my mother. Be careful, I'm using is between them. Yeah? I'm using is exactly after my subject. Yeah? Or I can say, she is a good girl. She is a good girl. Yes? Or another sentence can be, she is in the party. She is in the party. Or I can say, she is very smart. She is very smart. Yes? And now let's make some sentences with he. He is my brother. He is my brother. Or he is very shy. He is very shy. Or he is a student. He is a student. Yeah? And let's make a sentence with it. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Yeah. Or I can say, it is a nice dress. It is a nice dress. Or it is a big house. It is a big house. Look, I don't say it is. I say it is. Connected. Whenever you're reading the sentences, try to connect the words as much as you can. Don't say it is. It is. Don't say I am. Say I am. Always connected. Connection is good. So let's make other sentences with we. We are a family. We are a family. And now, we are me and you. We are in the class. We are in the class. And we are in the class on YouTube. We are in the class on YouTube. Yeah? And I think we are all at home because of Corona. And let's make sentences with they. They. They are my friends. They are my friends. Or they are my students. They are beautiful. They are nice. They are genius. It is very smart. So, but what about making a negative form? How we can make negative forms? Let's make some negative sentences. We should add just not to all of them. First of all, I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. Or you can say, I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. What about the question form? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Yeah. And now let's move on to the next part. You. You are on YouTube. You are on YouTube. Negative form is you are not on YouTube. You are not on YouTube. Or you can say you aren't on YouTube. You aren't on YouTube. And the question form is, are you on YouTube? If you want to make question, you should put am, is, are at the first of the sentence. Am, is, are, and after that. For example, are you on YouTube? Are you on YouTube? And let's move on. She. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Negative form is she is not a doctor. She is not a doctor. Or she isn't a doctor. She isn't a doctor. And the question form is she a doctor? Is she a doctor? And about he. He is very smart. He is very smart. And the negative form is he is not very smart. He is not very smart. Or he isn't very smart. He isn't very smart. And the question form is he very smart? Is he very smart? Yeah. And the next one is it. For example, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. I don't say it is. It is. And the negative form is it isn't beautiful. Or it is not beautiful. Yeah. And the question form is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? Yeah. And the next one is we. We. For example, we are happy. We are happy. We are not happy. The negative form. We are not happy. Or we aren't happy. We aren't happy. And the question form is, are we happy? Are we happy? And the next one is a they. They. For example, they are a family. Negative form, they are not a family. They are not a family. And a question form, are they a family? Are they a family? Yeah, that's how we can make sentences with to-be verbs. But let me add something here. If you want to answer these questions with to-be verbs, what should you say? For example, are you a teacher? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. And another one, is she a doctor? Is she a doctor? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Or no, she is not. Yeah? Another one, is he very smart? Is he very smart? Yes, he is. Or no, he's not. No, he's not. The next one is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? And you can say, yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. No, it isn't. Yeah. And the next one, are we happy? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Yes, we are. No, we are not. And the next one, the last one, they. Are they a family? Are they a family? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yes, that's it. So that was about the to-be verbs. But let me ask you something. If you want to learn very good, please always repeat what I say. So, repeat. If I say something, you repeat. For example, is she a doctor? Repeat. Repeat. Yes, that's good. Is she a doctor? When you repeat, you learn very much better. Yeah. And after this video, I want you to go and write some examples with these to-be verbs. And if you want, I have some notes and exercises for you in the description box. So you can download this and have it all the time to practice a little. Yes, so don't forget to practice until next week. Next week, we're going to learn another lesson. So be ready for next week. Next week, next session, we're learning something new. And I'm going to ask you what happened today. And that's it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm going to see you in the next video. Next session of our class, I mean. So that's it. I'll see you next session. Don't forget to like this video. And if you want more videos, you can subscribe English with Ma'ide. But if you want to get notified, just click this button. Thank you.